Transferring money from CoinStats to your bank. In this video, I will show you how to do that in 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. CoinStats itself is a portfolio tracker. You don't hold funds there. You just can connect wallets or exchanges to monitor. Step 2. Go to the actual wallet or exchange that you connected, in this case, Trust Wallet. Step 3. In your exchange app, you can go to withdraw or transfer, and then select your local currency and choose bank transfer as your method. Step 4. Input your bank name, account number, and any required information, and make sure that everything is accurate. Step 5. Review the withdrawal summary and confirm. Funds usually arrive in 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.